For decades, the roar of a V8 or the crackle of an exhaust defined what it meant to drive. The sound was more than just noise, it was a symbol of freedom, power, and the open road. Car culture was built around these iconic sounds, and for many, they were the heartbeat of every journey. But now, there's a new sound, or rather, a new silence, on the streets. The electric car. Instead of a growl, there's a gentle hum, almost ghostly in its quietness, as EVs glide by unnoticed except for their futuristic design. EVs aren't just for tech geeks or environmentalists anymore, everyone's talking about them. From families to car enthusiasts, people from all walks of life are curious about what electric vehicles have to offer. Electric cars aren't new, they were around over a century ago, but faded as gas engines took over. Back then, they were seen as innovative, but the world wasn't ready for them yet. Now, in 2026, they're back and changing everything. The streets are filling with models that look like they belong in science fiction, but they're very much a part of our daily lives. Today's EVs offer range, speed, and tech that rival or surpass gas cars. Acceleration is instant and the driving experience is smoother and more responsive than ever before. Why the buzz? It's a mix of environmental awareness and technology finally catching up. People want cleaner air, and now the tech is here to deliver it without compromise. Batteries are better, motors are more efficient, and the cars themselves are genuinely desirable. Charging is faster, and range anxiety is quickly becoming a thing of the past. You're not sacrificing style or speed to go green. In many cases, you're getting more. Sleek designs, luxurious interiors, and cutting-edge features are now standard. The revolution is real, and it's happening on roads everywhere. Every day, more drivers are making the switch, and the landscape of transportation is transforming before our eyes. 10 years ago, spotting an EV was rare. Now, they're everywhere. Charging stations are popping up in places you'd never expect, making EV ownership easier than ever. This isn't a passing trend, it's the next chapter in automotive history. Museums are already showcasing the evolution, and every new model is a glimpse into the future. The shift is visible at car shows, in commercials, and in your own neighborhood. It's a movement that's reshaping how we think about cars and mobility. We're witnessing the biggest change in personal transportation in over a century. The transition is happening faster than anyone expected, and it's only accelerating. The story of the automobile is being rewritten, and it's electrifying. Every new chapter brings innovation, excitement, and a promise of a cleaner tomorrow. The excitement is contagious, and the possibilities are endless. People everywhere are discovering the thrill of electric driving for the first time. Electric cars are no longer a novelty, they're the new normal. They're becoming a familiar sight, seamlessly blending into our daily routines. The future of driving is here, and it's quieter, cleaner, and more thrilling than ever. With every mile, we're moving toward a world that's better for everyone. Buckle up. This is just the beginning. The journey ahead is full of promise, and the road to tomorrow is electric. You can't talk about modern electric cars without talking about Tesla. Before Tesla, EVs were slow, limited, and uninspiring. Tesla shattered that image with the Roadster, a true sports car that could outpace many gas rivals. Then came the Model S, a family sedan with jaw-dropping acceleration and a massive touchscreen. Tesla didn't just sell cars, they sold the future. Their supercharger network tackled range anxiety, and over-the-air updates made cars smarter overnight. Suddenly, owning an EV was cool, high-tech, and aspirational. Tesla became the benchmark, forcing every other automaker to catch up. They proved you could build a car company from scratch and take on the giants. The industry woke up. Tesla had started a revolution. Now, every automaker is racing to match their innovation. Tesla made electric cars desirable, and the world took notice. The electric revolution had its spark, and it was Tesla. At first, legacy automakers watched from the sidelines as Tesla stole the spotlight, capturing the imagination of drivers and investors alike. But when Tesla's success became undeniable, the old guard realized they couldn't afford to sit back any longer. They jumped in, determined to reclaim their place in the industry. Now, in 2026, nearly every dealership offers a compelling EV, with models that appeal to every kind of driver, from city commuters to adventure seekers. Ford electrified icons like the Mustang Mach-E and F-150 Lightning trucks that can even power your house during an outage, blending innovation with reliability. GM's Ultium platform brought us the electric Hummer and Cadillac Lyriq, while Chevy's Silverado EV is ready to compete head-to-head with the best in the segment. German brands joined the race with Porsche's Taycan, Audi's e-trons, and Mercedes' EQ lineup, bringing luxury and performance to the electric revolution. Hyundai, Kia, and Volkswagen are winning awards for their innovative, affordable EVs, making electric driving accessible to more people than ever before. The result? More choices than ever before, with new models arriving every year and options for every budget and lifestyle. Competition is fierce, pushing everyone to build better, more exciting electric cars and driving rapid innovation in technology and design. The game has changed, electric is mainstream, and EVs are now a common sight on city streets and highways alike. Customers now have real options, from luxury to practical, sporty to family-friendly, with something for every taste and need. The EV market is booming and the old guard is all in, investing billions and transforming their factories for an electric future. The electric era isn't coming, it's here, reshaping how we drive, commute, and think about transportation. The race is on, and everyone's playing, from established giants to ambitious newcomers. The future of cars is electric, and it's never been more exciting, or more within reach for drivers everywhere. Why are so many people switching to electric cars? It's not just one reason, it's a combination. For many, it's about the environment. No tailpipe means no exhaust fumes. Cleaner air in cities and a smaller carbon footprint are huge motivators, but it's also about performance. Instant torque means thrilling acceleration. Even family EVs can outpace classic sports cars off the line. Then there's technology, huge touchscreens, advanced safety features, and smart connectivity. EVs are cheaper to run, no oil changes, fewer moving parts, and lower fuel costs. Maintenance is minimal, and ownership is simpler. You get a cleaner, faster, smarter car that's often cheaper to own. The benefits add up: environmental, financial, and emotional. The question is shifting from why go electric to why not. The appeal is broad, and the momentum is unstoppable. Electric cars just make sense. For many, the top reason to go electric is the environment. EVs have zero tailpipe emissions, no smog, no exhaust, just clean air. This means healthier cities and fewer respiratory problems for everyone. Imagine rush hour without the smell and noise of gas engines. While electricity generation still matters, it's easier to clean up a few power plants than millions of cars. As the grid gets greener, EVs get even cleaner over time. Gas cars pollute the same on day 1 and day 1000. EVs only improve. Driving electric is a personal step toward a sustainable future. It's about reducing your carbon footprint and joining a global shift away from fossil fuels. Every EV on the road is a statement for a healthier planet. The environmental impact is real and growing.